J&D BMX here. I'm Jackson.
And I'm Dylan.
We're going to be doing Dylan's bike check. So I need to talk for like another minute. So we're going to be trying to post at least 2 videos a week. No, at least 1 video a week, and at the max like 4 or 3. So the minimum's 1. I will be doing my bike check in like a week or 2. So I have to get a new seat because my dog chewed it up. And then I have to get it from my dad's house. So I'm going to let Dylan talk about his bike now.
So right here, thank you, Jackson. We got the SE Hoodrich. The SE Hoodrich. It's a pretty good bike.
I've rode it around a little bit. It's pretty nice. It's really smooth riding.
I got a salt tire right here.
2 salt tires.
No, it's only 1. It's only 1. I only got a stock tire too. A solid stock tire.
Stock, I remember.
And 2 Big Apple tires. Big Apple tires, they look like racing tires, people. But, so I'm thinking about putting a bombshell fork. I'll show you.
Yeah, you go get it and show them. So,
It's on my old GT.
This bike's really smooth. And then Dylan, that bike, it's out of commission, and so we might take the fork off and put it on this one. It's a bombshell carbon.
F1
carbon. It's on this old GT Power Series. It's pretty nice.
Let's manual it.
Try.
Jen, watch me manual. Hey, cameraman, whatever.
Whoa! Try that again.
Be a trampoline bike.
Yeah.
Tail whip.
Yeah.
Okay, come finish about your bike, Dill.
We're gonna. Alright.
So tell them about your cranks and tell them some more about the bike and why you chose this color.
Well, this is the only color. It's
Oh.
2017 SE Hoodrich. Get over here, cameraman.
They've been making bikes like this for 40 years. That is crazy how long BMX has been around.
Yeah. So, we've got the sweet SE sprocket. It actually says SE on it, too. That's a good way to patent your sprockets.
Yeah.
SE bikes, cranks. Oh, it doesn't say anything about the pedals. I use this bike for racing.
Pedals too.
No.
Maybe they're just probably like some cheap pedals. Yeah, they're just
No, they're not
plastic.
cheap.
They're not cheap, but they're just like some plastic ones.
Pedals are like,
They're not metal.
whatever. So, we got Springfield.
Brakes.
We got a Springfield brake. And just a chain.
We need to tighten it.
It's known as chain now. So we got an SE sprocket, like I said. It's tiny though, like
Yeah, it's super small.
it's that big. Yes. You talked. No, I'm just kidding. So
No,
this
that's okay if the cameraman talks.
these bolts are huge though.
Yeah, the
like
back
where I
bolts
bought
are
'em.
huge. Come compare them to the front bolts.
Yeah, look at the front bolts,
So that's
guys.
the back bolt, and then this is the front. Sorry if the angles are kind of bad, which we have a walking tripod. So, let's show them the bike one last time, and we will talk a little bit more.
Okay.
So, we will be posting our races when we race. So there's only like 4 more races in the season, so we kind of 4 or 5 more races in the season. So we chose a bad time to make a YouTube channel about BMX. But we will have J&D BMX stickers made for you guys, and then we'll have like a website. I'm pretty sure there's a way you can make a merch website, isn't there? So then we'll try to make maybe some shirts, and then me and Dylan are gonna make some J&D BMX race shirts for us, and then we're gonna make stickers to put on our bikes. So If you guys want one of those, comment below. So that's been Jackson,
And Dylan,
and we're signing off here. Bye.
life is good.